Alright, what's up everyone? How's it going? Welcome back to my channel, the Rideshare Hub. So today's video is a little bit different. I'm gonna be reacting to a YouTube video that I found about a Uber driver who it's basically a crazy Uber ride. I know I'm gonna probably get into more of these because you guys absolutely love these videos. But let's get started. I think this was pretty bad, pretty funny. But yeah. Make sure to thumbs up this video if you like videos like this one. My name's Dylan, and hey, I know most of our videos on this channel are about rideshare news, tips on making more money, and tips on being a safe, better, you know, legal rideshare driver. But sometimes you gotta just show some crazy rides because, let's face it, we all love crazy rides. So let's get started, shall we?
Stop. Stop the car, stop the car. Please stop.
No, I'm gonna take you.
No, you're not.
I'll take you. I'll take you. That door doesn't work.
If I just sit in front?
Yeah, you gotta sit in the front.
Oh.
I'm Brett, by the way.
Okay, so right off the bat, he said his back door doesn't work and they have to sit in the front. What if you have a group of people? Are they gonna all crawl through the front seat? Okay, let's keep watching.
Alyssa?
You're beautiful.
Bro,
I'm Italian.
He just tried to, did you see that? He just tried to kiss her dude, if you're trying to kiss your Uber passengers on their hand, bro, you're gonna get deactivated, dog.
So that's just what we do.
That's what you guys do?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Where are we going today?
Home.
Okay.
Go.
So this looks like one of those like fake Uber pickup videos. I'm assuming it's fake, but hey, you never know, this could be totally real. It seems like one of those like Uber driver starts rapping for passenger and they get it and it's like, obviously they're actors, but I don't know, let's keep watching.
Going home.
You never been greeted by a kiss on the hand before?
No. Not from a stranger.
Oh.
Is that how you greet all of them?
She seems super nice. She seems super cool. She's like, don't kiss me. Is that how you greet all your rides?
My mother taught me, so you dress really nice.
Thank you.
What is this, like a
oh my gosh,
color?
dude, he just touched her leg. Dude, bro, you cannot touch your that's sexual assault. He just sexually assaulted his passenger. And honestly, if this is a joke video, comedy, how was that? Are you trying to be funny? Oh, let me just sexually grope my passenger. That'll be a great joke in the video.
Nude color?
Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh,
you can tell she's super uncomfortable.
I'm sorry.
Oh my goodness.
It looked like it felt
This
nice.
guy's a creep.
It like, feels like a snake.
Okay. You have a boyfriend?
Yes.
Dude,
okay.
why? This is the example of the worst Uber driver ever. You're asking your passenger if she has a boyfriend? Dude, you're working, bro. You're making money. This guy obviously didn't sign up for Uber for the money. He's trying to find a girlfriend.
Is that like a boyfriend or like just like a boyfriend?
What's the difference?
Yeah, what's the difference?
Like, is it like a real like connection? Like in
husband.
love? Like, yeah.
Like
husband.
Husband, boyfriend.
A husband, boyfriend.
Boyfriend that's not yet my husband, but gonna be my husband.
I like to think of things like they happen in like movies and stuff. Like, you know, like you could be like in love with somebody, but then like meet somebody one day and then just like that person like totally changes your perspective on your whole relationship.
I don't think so.
No?
No.
That's how I always
one.
look at things.
No, not with this one.
This is nice though. This is real nice. I like this.
Bro, he puts his hand.
I have like a soft shoulder because like.
Oh my gosh.
No, I'm sorry, no.
Wait, what?
You can feel it.
He's asking her to feel him.
Like this. It's soft. I work out.
Oh, you work out, bro? Nice.
Sometimes.
I'm religious and working out, and I also like read the Bible and stuff. You read the Bible?
No.
Is that supposed to make him seem more like attractive that he reads the Bible?
I hold sometimes like classes. Like it seems like you need.
Bro,
like,
he's touching her again,
You're like
dude.
being a creep.
You're
I
not.
don't know if
Look
you're
how
joking
mad she
or-
looks.
No, not at
Dude, I would have gotten out of the ride right there. That guy's a total creep. He needs to be in jail.
Like, You cannot touch a female without her permission.
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sometimes you can't feel a connection straight based off of talking. You kind of have to feel.
Okay, honestly, what is even more weird about this whole situation, if that is an actor, imagine getting a casting call for somebody. Oh, you're playing the role of a character who gets sexually groped. Like, dude, that's such a creepy. Imagine this guy. Oh, hey, I'm casting somebody for my little comedy video, and I'm gonna harass you.
Like, we were brought here for a reason, obviously.
Here, I just want to go home.
Like, I just got paid.
I just want to go home.
You just got paid?
Like, you're not taking me home. Like, this is not your job.
No, but yeah, I'm just
Like, where are you taking me?
like, this is just the long way I figued out. Like,
He's not taking her home?
No, my apartment is that way.
So now
yeah,
he's kidnapping
but
her.
there's a bunch of traffic that way, and I feel like going this way is faster. I've been around this way. You can trust me.
Okay, you turn down this road.
This one?
Yes, turn down this road.
Alright.
Please. Can you turn down here? Turn down here. Yes, turn down here. Yes.
Alright.
Please turn
I don't know if this is the right way though.
Please turn down here.
There's culinary dropout
Okay,
right
can you
there.
stop? Can you please stop the car? Stop the car. Please
Oh
stop.
my
I'm
God.
gonna take you. I'm gonna
No,
take
you're not.
you.
You're
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Dude,
I'll
he's
take you.
kidnapping her.
But I'm just saying, like, culinary dropout's
Where,
right
can
there.
I see your GPS thing?
Yeah, like, look, we're
we're
on our
almost
way.
there.
We're almost there.
Can you just stop right here?
Like, I don't know about
No,
you,
just
but
stop.
I've had a really good time. Like,
Stop. Can you stop the car right here, please? I'm not trying to be a... Can you just
I'll
stop the
take
car?
you to the door and everything.
No, you don't have to. You can't come in
Take
with
you to
me.
the door,
Stop
bro?
right here.
It's
Dude,
right
you're not
here.
her date.
Stop
You're her
right
driver.
here.
I'm gonna take you to the.
Can you please stop the car? Oh my God.
Wait, I have to give you. Let me give you a kiss.
Bro, he wants to give her a kiss?
Yeah.
Hey, babe.
Charles!
What?
That Uber driver, I literally thought he was gonna kidnap me.
Are you crying?
Yes!
What?
Is this the boyfriend?
I literally wouldn't let me out of the Uber. Like, I swear to God. Like, I thought I was gonna die.
Babe, where you at right now?
I'm at the elevator.
What happened? Explain to me what happened.
I was in the car. He was trying to hit on me. I said no. I have a boyfriend. I want to be filmed right now.
You know, you got me with the little Uber prank, so I had to come back with my man
It's a
Brett.
prank.
Babe, what you think high with?
It's a prank. Dude, if this is actually real, dude, she should not be dating this guy. This guy's idea of a prank is, oh, let me have my friend sexually harass my girlfriend and kidnap her. That'll be hilarious. Dude, these comedy videos need to get better, bro. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, but that was not... Wow, what a wild turn. I thought that was a real ride at first. I mean, I had a hunch. But whatever, I guess you can't believe everything you see on the internet. Anyways, if you like this video, thumbs up the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye, guys.